When I was really young, we would be outside all the time, just smelling dirt and all sorts of weird things in nature.
Some of my earliest memories were of creating concoctions at both of my grandmother's homes.
In the commercial perfume industry, they rely heavily on synthetics. And so because we don't, we draw from nature a lot.
When you look at fragrance today, it's in everything, and most of those scents are also synthetic. People have become so sensitive to fragrance, and they've started to vilify fragrance in a way.
The way we're doing perfumery is becoming a lost art. A lot of the commercial perfume industry creations are made in a lab on a computer. And so we're trying to be more reliant on our noses and what smells good and the combinations of the scents.
We use mushroom absolute, which is this incredible umami smell that's just beautiful.
I like a lot of those deep woody base notes, and I really like the citruses like yuzu or green mandarin.
That's what we're really trying to recapture again, is to bring that sense of wonder and awe back to people who love fragrance, and even those who maybe have become disillusioned by it, to be able to reintroduce them to what we're doing here.